8. What is said to a kafir, a disbeliever, when he sneezes? So what's the difference? Well, if a disbeliever sneezes, we can't say, Yarhamukumullah. Why is that? Because he's a disbeliever. We can't ask Allah to have mercy upon the disbelievers or to grant them Jannah. But we can ask Allah for anything that's good and beneficial for them in this world. And this is why we were taught that whenever a disbeliever sneezes, we say,
يهديكم الله ويصلح بالكم.
May Allah guide you and rectify your condition. This is something in the dunya. May Allah guide you. That's good. Rectify your condition. Grant you peace and tranquility in this dunya. Nobody hates this. Now the disbeliever cannot object and say, you're segregating, you're discriminating. Why don't you ask Allah Azza wa Jal to admit me to Jannah? Akhi, you don't believe in Jannah. You don't believe in Allah to begin with. I apologize for saying Akhi because this is rhetorical, but if you do, welcome to Islam, and I will pray to Allah Azza wa Jal to admit you to Jannah from now till the Day of Judgment. But if you're not a Muslim, you will not be admitted to Jannah, and this is a given. So you have to understand this.